Question 1. Which command can you enter to determine whether serial interface 020 has been configured using HDLC encapsulation? A. Router show platform. B. Router show IP interface S020. C. Router show interfaces serial 020. D. Router show IP interface brief. Answer is C. Question 2. Which Layer 2 protocol encapsulation type supports synchronous and asynchronous circuits and has built-in security mechanisms? A. X.25. B. HDLC. C. PPP. D. Frame relay. Answer is C. Question 3. Which statements about using leased lines for your WAN infrastructure are true? A. Leased lines provide inexpensive WAN access. B. Leased lines with sufficient bandwidth can avoid latency between endpoints. C. Leased lines require little installation and maintenance expertise. D. Leased lines provide highly flexible bandwidth scaling. E. Multiple leased lines can share a router interface. F. Leased lines support up to T1 link speeds. Answer is BC. Question 4. Two routers named Atlanta and Brevard are connected by their serial interfaces as illustrated, but there is no connectivity between them. The Atlanta router is known to have a correct configuration. Given the partial configurations, identify the problem on the Brevard router that is causing the lack of connectivity. A. Transmission unit size too large. B. No loopback set. C. An incorrect subnet mask. D. Incompatible encapsulation at each end. E. An incorrect IP address. F. Incompatible bandwidth between routers. Answer is E.
Question 5. Which of the following describes the roles of devices in a WAN? Choose 3. A. A CSU/DSU terminates a digital local loop. B. A modem terminates a digital local loop. C. A CSU/DSU terminates an analog local loop. D. A modem terminates an analog local loop. E. A router is commonly considered a DTE device. F. A router is commonly considered a DCE device. Answer is A, D, E. Question 6. Which two pieces of information are provided by the show controller's serial 0 command? Choose 2. A. The type of cable that is connected to the interface. B. The uptime of the interface. C. The status of the physical layer of the interface. D. The full configuration of the interface. E. The interface's duplex settings. Answer is AC. Question 7. Which command is used to know the duplex speed of serial link? A. Show line. B. Show interface. C. Show protocol. D. Show run. Answer is B. Question 8. Which WAN topology provides a direct connection from each site to all other sites on the network? A. Single-homed. B. Full mesh. C. Point-to-point. D. Hub and spoke. Answer is B. Question 9. What are 3 reasons that an organization with multiple branch offices and roaming users might implement a Cisco VPN solution instead of point-to-point WAN links? Choose 3. A. Reduced cost. B. Better throughput. C. Broadband incompatibility. D. Increased security. E. Scalability. F. Reduced latency. Answer is A, D, E. Question 10. Which 2 statements about using the CHAP authentication mechanism in a PPP link are true? Choose 2. A. CHAP uses a 2-way handshake. B. CHAP uses a 3-way handshake. C. CHAP authentication periodically occurs after link establishment. D. CHAP authentication passwords are sent in plain text. E. CHAP authentication is performed only upon link establishment. F. CHAP has no protection from playback attacks. Answer B, C. Question 11. A network administrator needs to configure a serial link between the main office and a remote location. The router at the remote office is a non-Cisco router. How should the network administrator configure the serial interface of the main office router to make the connection? Answer is B. Question 12. What is the benefit of point-to-point leased line? A. Low cost. B. Full mesh capability. C. Flexibility of design. D. Simply configuration. Answer is D. Question 13. When you deploy multi-link PPP on your network, where must you configure the group IP address on each device? A. In the global config. B. Under serial interface. C. Under the routing protocol. D. Under the multi-link interface. Answer is D. Question 14. What are 2 authentication types of MLPPP? A. PEEP. B. LEAP. C. PIP. D. CHAP. E. Take SES Plus. Answer is CD. Question 15. At which layer of the OSI model does PPP perform? A. Layer 2. B. Layer 3. C. Layer 4. D. Layer 5. E. Layer 1. Answer is A.